Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. This is the installation video of the Revoc Performance exhaust. Let's go! So we all want to know what's in the box. This is what I got from Revoc Performance. And thanks to Revoc Performance, they made my exhaust matte black, so it matches with my bike. We got the exhaust with glossy carbon. I'm gonna make that matte carbon. This is a little bracket you need for the installation later. We got the installation manual and we got 2 pipes. So let's start with the installation. Bam. Let's take a closer look to the installation. So what do we need? Connect pipe 1, that is the biggest one that it's in the box. In the incoming pipe from the bike, that is this one. And the only thing we need from the stock exhaust is this clamp. The second thing, U-screw provided to screw this bracket onto the hole where it lines up on the bike. Okay, perfect. Step 3, slot in the SP muffler into pipe 2. Okay. Hook up the spring from pipe 2 to pipe 1. Okay. Hook up the spring from the SP muffler onto the pipe 2. Step 6 is hook up the spring from the SP muffler onto pipe 2. Okay, perfect. Step 7, use the bracket provided for the muffler to connect to the point from the bike. Okay, that is this point over here somewhere else there. Step 8, use screw and nut provided to fix the bracket onto the bike. Okay, perfect. And that is this one over here. So the trick in this part is, do not tighten this clamp before you got to this nut over here. To make it easy, I unbolted first the black one, so that we have a little bit more play on this part. Then I'll finger tighten the new screw over here. That one, the new one. Then I place the black bolt back and hand tighten the clamp. So let's go. So now you can see there is enough room to tighten up this one. Like this. So step 1 and 2 are completed. Now I'm going to step 3. Slot in the SP muffler onto pipe 2. So this is the SP muffler and that is pipe 2. So I managed to use a plier to get those springs on. So this is SP muffler to pipe 2. So let's fit it onto here. Oh snap, let's see the first impressions. Damn! That's hot, man. Okay, let's finish up this installation. So this is step number 7. We're gonna use the bracket now that's provided via Revoc Performance. So the Revoc Performance exhaust installation is completed. And we all want to know the end result, isn't it? 3, 2, 1, bang. Damn, this exhaust looks killer on the V2, man. That's my honest opinion. Jeez. It totally transforms the bike. Look. I know it's late, but we have to do a little cold start. And tomorrow I will take the bike outside for a better point of view outside with normal road noise and everything. So let's start her up with a cold start. Yep, it's still giving the ice notice. 1 Celsius. Oh damn. Okay, here it goes, guys. That's enough for now, because it's a little bit late, and we'll see you guys tomorrow back with daylight.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, everyone. This is the next day. We're outside, so we're gonna have a proper cold start. It's now giving us still 1 Celsius. So let's go. Revoc Performance, outside, cold start. So we now heard it all of the new Revoc Performance exhaust. I hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up. Press subscribe. and I'll see you back with another video of DutchWesp. Peace.